Aikwani? Mzadari. What up, good people? We're at Tiger's Milk right now. We are seeing these classics. Yazowski, we are here for other things, you know what I mean? So, yeah, this is Tiger's Milk, but we are outside today. I really want to see if they sell Tiger's Milk for sure. My bad, yeah, I'm joking, yeah. We have these classic cars again at Tiger's Milk. So we are going to enjoy with the cars. I'm going to show you. It's your host, PRY360, as usual, giving you the alpha what's happening here in Zimbabwe. Let me step out of the way. So today we are at Tiger's Milk Kitchen and Bar, and yeah, we are looking at these classic whips that are here at Tiger's Milk. So I'm gonna go by this row so you can check out this. So we have this BMW and we have this B2. I think you already know this one. I've been sharing this one, and take a look at this. Now the team B2 is here, so as you can see now, yeah, the team B2 is here. See these classic B2s and this bike there, and we have these B2s that are looking all nice. You know what? This is awesome. So this side is team VW. So this is team BMW here. So yeah, it's a nice time that we're gonna have here. So yeah, I'm gonna go this other side so you can check and see. As you can see, all the people are enjoying themselves. Look who I got here, the Chaser's family. So right now, Triple Tiger's Milk, we are vlogging. So yeah, if you are seeing this channel and the Chaser's channel, make sure you like, subscribe. Don't pass by.
Make sure you like.
Mukona zotakabata futi zotakabata.
Anditi, tukupa content amana.
Good content.
Appreciate it by watching our views to the end.
Exactly.
Tell a friend to tell what a friend.
Tell a friend. Tell a friend.
Content.
Exactly.
Kuna Mr. Bright 360.
Yes.
Ise kambona zviriko tambobuda ghetto ka guys. Tambozona chi masi.
Kumiri kwa Samora.
Yeah.
Yes. I think you have seen this beast before. You have seen this beast before, and this little one, and you see that all these people, they are really into cars, classics. So yeah, it's cool time. Yeah, we have yeah, this one, is it a classic or is this a legend? Oh yeah, look at this, bruh. It's a Nissan. And the Subi. Oh my goodness. We have the classic Peugeot. Nah, bruh, this is nice. Whoo, look at this Chevrolet. This Chevrolet. It's a nice whip. Nice touch to this one. So Yazowski. Yeah, it was a lovely event, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll keep giving you good content that you can watch on the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, you know what I mean?